one practical. The first practical is the titration between KMnO4 solution and Mohrs salt. Okay, so you can see here, this is KMnO4 solution, which is pink in color, and this is Mohrs salt solution. Okay, and we'll take the KMnO4 solution in this burette. You can see this is total 50 ml burette. Okay, so today we'll start the titration. You can see the titration, and the calculation part we'll discuss in the live session. Okay, student, so let's start the practical. So at first you can see this is conical flux. Okay, we'll take 25 ml Mohrs salt solution in this conical flask. Okay, so let's tip it out the solution. Tip it out very carefully. Take exactly 25 ml. You can see the mark here. Okay, you have to take exactly 25 ml. Okay, this is exactly 25 ml. You can see here. So we'll take this 25 ml solution here. And you know, in this titration we are not using any indicator because KMnO4 itself is a self-indicator, so you no need to use any other indicator here. Okay, perfectly transfer of 25 ml. Okay, now with this 25 ml Mohrs salt solution, we have to add acid solution here. Okay, this is sulfuric acid solution. We have to take almost 20 ml of sulfuric acid solution, student. 20 ml at least. Sulfuric acid we are using because this reaction prefers in acidic medium. That's why we are using acid H plus here. Okay, so we are adding 20 ml of sulfuric acid here. Okay, and after that just mix it well to make it homogeneous. Now we'll start the titration. Okay, just see the titration. Whenever light pink color will appear, then we'll end the titration and note down the end point. Okay, look at this titration. Drop wise we have to add drop wise KMnO4 solution, and with constant stirring. Okay, you have to shake this conical flask continuously. Drop wise add the KMnO4 solution in this conical flask. So you know KMnO4 reacts with Mohrs salt solution. This reaction is a redox reaction because you know here oxidation and reduction both occur simultaneously. You can see here. You get a permanent light pink color. Permanent light pink. Okay. You can see this is the end point. Actually one or two drop extra is added here, that's why the color is more intense. So you should get a light pink color. This is also light pink color, but if you will add less amount, then you will get a very light pink color. So this is the light pink color, and this is the end point of this titration. You can see the end point. Here we got almost 11.5. So 11.5 is the end point for this titration. Okay. And the calculation part, how to calculate the molarity and the percentage purity, whatever we'll do in live session. At that time I'll discuss how to calculate this titration. Okay. Thank you everyone.